Hi everyone! In this video I'd like to talk about how to actually use adverbs of manner. So in last week's video we talked about how you form these adverbs. I should definitely use a different picture next time if I'm making one of these videos. This week we should look at how to use them. So when do you actually use the adverbs? This is Tom. We can say, Tom is very happy. This is a great day. He shouts happily. So here we've got an adjective, which is happy, and we've got an adverb, which is happily. Happy describes Tom, so the adjective happy describes a person, and happily describes how he shouts, so it describes a verb. So in general, we can say adjectives describe objects or people, and adverbs describe how someone does something, so they describe verbs. Here we've got a couple of sentences with adjectives and adverbs. I've marked them all for you, so you know which one is which. So, as we can see, all the adjectives describe the people, and all the adverbs describe the verbs. Den Unterschied haben wir auch im Deutschen. Allerdings hören wir diesen Unterschied nicht, weil Adjektive und Adverben bei uns gleich klingen. Wir sagen, Susi ist sehr traurig und sie singt traurig. Im Englischen haben wir da aber diesen Unterschied zwischen sad und sadly. Watch out! If we have got a verb that has to do with looking, sounding, we use adjectives. So Pam looks angry and Sam sounds sad. Im Deutschen nennen wir diese Verben auch Verben der Sinneswahrnehmung. So here's a little test. We've got Tom again. We can say, Tom sings very... What would you have to put in? Adverb or adjective? So in this case it will be loudly, because loudly describes the verb. How does he sing? He sings very loudly. We can also say, Tom is very today. In this case it would be the adjective. How is Tom today? He is very loud. So there's only one more question. Where does the adverb go in a sentence? I've got two examples here. Amber texts quickly and Amber texts me quickly. Amber is the subject, texts is the verb, me is the object, and the adverb is quickly at the end. So the adverb normally goes after the verb, and if we have an object, the adverb goes after the object.